Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Charles Schwab website. If you do not have an account, click on the Open an Account button. Follow the prompts to set up a new account by providing your personal information. Once your account is created, log in using your username and password. Locate the Research section in the top menu and click on it. Find the Tools subsection and select Budgeting Tools from the drop-down menu. Take a moment to explore the various budgeting resources available. Select the budgeting tool that best suits your needs. Input your income information to establish your monthly earnings. Next, enter your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments. Do not forget to include variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Review the summary of your income and expenses to assess your financial situation. Use the Tools features to set savings goals for future expenses. Adjust your budget as necessary, based on your spending and savings targets. Take advantage of the educational resources provided by Charles Schwab to enhance your budgeting skills. Regularly revisit your budget and make updates as your financial situation changes. Consider setting reminders to check in on your budget monthly or quarterly. With consistent tracking and adjustments, you will improve your financial habits over time. By following these steps, you will have a clear budget plan to help manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.